set. 32423. Getting modded Schindler stuff. This one's in the process. I think this one might have original controllers and equipment at the moment. I think they're all going to be doing the same thing as 200 Creek Street, where they're putting this panel on. Come on, quickly close. Look how burnt in the QLD indicator is. Oh wow, there are old dates on there. 2000. Huh. Jeez. Actually hurts the ears a bit. The original door equipment. Those ones. Oh, these ones are done. There's one more right down. Hopefully it's left. Oh, come on. Same one. Whatever. I'll come back. And I'm sure they're all done, so I can get a new one. I'm just lucky because the concierge was talking to someone else when I came in. So this is very bloody dodgy, but I did it. So I've done 2 so far out of like, I don't know how many there are, like 5 or 6. Okay, that'll do. Let's get out of this place.